Hello everybody, Jim Ballard here. This is the first installment of my barrel making video series. This video is all about the blank, the type, the size, dimensions, and preparing it to be mounted between centers on my jet wood lathe. The material I'm using is white oak, just like the real barrels. The dimensions of the blank are 1 3/4 by 1 3/4, and long ways with the grain is 2 5/8. It's important that when you're making your blank that the top surface and the bottom surface are parallel. That ensures drilling square into the blank. I'm going to be drilling a hole 3/16 in the center, but first we need to find the center. And I found that the easiest way to find the center, connect the diagonals on the blank. Just marking the corners, but connect corner to corner, and when they intersect, that's your center. So 3/16 bit, and I'm going to be drilling around 1 3/8 deep. So next I take my tap, my 1/4 tap, which is the same size as the mandrel that is on the lathe. So we're just going to tap this, and I'm tapping this around 1 inch deep. And you can take a look and you'll be able to see the threads in there. Okay, once you're done, I clean it out, and this is ready to be mounted on the lathe between centers. That's all for this video. The next video is going to be about mounting between centers and getting the shape, the rough shape of the barrel. As always, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, share, and ring that notification bell so you'll be notified of any future videos in this series. Till next time, I'm Jim Ballard. See ya.